Hello, friends, and welcome back to another episode of Flavors and Knowledge. These are a shorter version of our typical podcast. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza, and today we're going to talk about Jewish Italian cooking traditions. The Jewish Italian cooking is a uniquely blend of traditional Jewish and Italian culinary techniques and, of course, ingredients. This fusion of flavors and styles has its roots in the history of the Jewish community in Italy, which dates back to the ancient Roman times. One of the most famous Jewish Italian dish is carciofi alla Giudia, or Jewish-style artichokes. These artichokes are deep fried until golden brown and crispy, and are typically served as a starter or an appetizer. Another popular dish is ceci e trippa, a hearty stew made with chickpeas and tripe. Pasta, incidentally, is also a staple in Jewish Italian cooking, with many traditional dishes featuring homemade pasta like spaghetti, lasagne, and fettuccine. And some popular pasta dishes include spaghetti alla carbonara, lasagna alla bolognese, and the typical fettuccine alfredo. Jewish Italian cuisine also features a wide variety of seafood dishes, such as sarde in saor, a Venetian dish made with marinated sardines, and also baccalà alla vicentina, a cut dish from the region of Vicenza. One of the most important elements of Jewish Italian cooking is the use of fresh, high-quality ingredients. Olive oil, garlic, fresh herbs like basil and parsley are used liberally to add flavor and depth to many dishes. Many traditional Jewish Italian recipes also call for the use of meat, such as beef and veal, which are often slow cooked to create rich, flavorful sauces. Jewish Italian cooking is a delicious and a unique culinary tradition that is worth exploring. And whether you're a food lover looking for new flavors to try, or an historian interested in the cultural influences that shaped Italian cuisine, Jewish Italian cooking is sure to satisfy your appetite. And so on your next trip to Rome, go to the Jewish Quarter in Via Porta d'Ottavio, which is the oldest ghetto in Europe. And there you will find a myriad of different restaurants, pastry shops, bakery, which will suit your palate just fine. And that is all for this episode of Flavors and Knowledge and the Jewish Italian cooking traditions. Hey, we'll chat next time. Stay well.